How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem your Best Buy gift card online. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, redeeming a gift card on Best Buy is actually a bit different. In order to redeem it, you have to go to the checkout page, and during the payment information page, you have to simply enter your gift card code. So to do that, we will just launch our browser and we will go to bestbuy.com. You want to make sure you have added some products to your cart, and whenever you want to purchase a specific product, only then will you be able to redeem a gift card. So right over here, I've added some products to my cart. If I want to go to my cart, I'll tap on the cart icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once I tap on the cart icon, I'll basically be taken to my bag page where you'll be able to see the products that I've added. Now I have to simply tap on the checkout button. Once I tap on the checkout button, it'll ask me for my shipping addresses and so on. So I'll also go to the checkout page first. Now basically, once the checkout page has been loaded, it'll ask me to choose a pickup location. So I'll agree to this terms and conditions, and I'll go to the option called continue to payment information. Once I go to continue to payment information, during the time when you're actually using a payment method, you'll find this little option over here that says use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code. So instead of using all of the credit and debit card details, you can use a gift card by tapping on use a Best Buy gift card. And over here you can see it says me to enter my card number or discount code. So I'll just go ahead and enter my card number and PIN. If you have some PIN and if it's required, then just enter your PIN and tap on the apply button, and that way you can redeem it and shop this specific product. This is the way to redeem it on the checkout process on Best Buy, because there isn't other options in the menu. Only when you're trying to shop and check out for a specific product, then you can go ahead and redeem your gift card. That's all it takes to redeem your Best Buy gift card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.